Hi everyone, welcome to High Value Couponers. It's night at 8 p.m. I am going live, but I'm not going live alone. I'm going live with a very special guest that you're going to hear about in a minute. We're talking things like Black Friday, favorite things we've gotten from couponing, lots of cool stuff like that. So excited. I'm going to let you guys hear who we are going live with now in her special intro.
My name is Belle Barton, and we are a family of 8. Yes, I count the dogs. We have 3 dogs. You see that right there? That is our tracker for our debt, and currently we are on our debt-free journey. I have twin boys, and my eldest is 2 years old now. We are trying to get rid of our debt as fast as possible. We've had a couple setbacks, but if you are following me on our Instagram, you will know how the last couple months have been. So this channel is just all about savings, how you can be frugal and just save as much as possible. My motto is no stress, be blessed, because our family is walking through this journey, which is very stressful because finances are very stressful. And when you don't have enough, it can be extremely stressful. So we are so blessed to have everything that we do have, that I am just so thankful, and it is words to myself as well as motivation and words to you.
So that's the story. Come tonight, 8 p.m. for an epic live stream with me and Belle Barton. We're going to have so much fun. You're not going to want to miss it. So come out tonight.